Hi friends, HR management is an integral part for every organization, be it big or small. At DCN on this channel, we are collecting all those script ready to use software through which you can own a digital asset and start earning in no time. And even if you are a user, if you are a business owner, these solutions are going to be helpful for you as you are going to own your own software hosted at your environment. I mean self-hosted application software. In today's video, this video we are going to overview a complete HR management solution, and I am going to show you what actually you can do with this system that I am going to show, and where you can get this system. And this is under $50 solution, so you can simply assume under $50 you are going to own your own HR management software for your organization, or for selling it to your client, or even for your education project management, or whatever may be the purpose. So it is going to serve all the purposes regarding HR management. Okay, so this is the dashboard that I wish to show in this video, and finally I will even show the solution where you can buy. So I'm going to add all the links, but yes, you have to overview this complete video so that you may understand what actually you can do with this system. And I'm going to show you multiple level of login, like super admin, admin, HR manager, or even app is also available for this solution. So I will try to show you the app login as well, like Android app login or iOS app login, so admin logins. So just be with me until the end of this video. It is going to be a complete overview of complete HR management solution. It is not about only this particular application script use. This video is going to be helpful how HR system works, so it is really important. So without any further delay, I'll start showing you screen. So this is a super admin screen, and first of all you can see the dashboard, and on the next screen we can see the HR. So on the HR screen we can set the designation, so whatever maybe the designation is being used at your organization for which you are creating the system, and you can further create new designation as per status and requirement. So you can even edit this the current designation what is available here. Next is the departments. So of course in a company there may be multiple departments, so this is on this screen you can create departments. So this is admin user, so it is showing the complete setup how you can onboard on the system of HR management. Video might be bit long, but you have to understand what screens are available before you take your buying decision, because the solution is available just for $39, I believe. I'll show you all the links, don't worry. But yes, you have to understand what is it actually matching your requirement or not. So for this you need to watch the complete video and understand the screen and functionality as well. So departments, you can create the departments. I'll take you very quickly, and you can create departments, edit department, delete departments. Roles, what are the roles of a staff, like a staff, HR, admin, super admin. So you can create roles, and you can even give the app login roles, or in toggle with enable and disable. So you can allow a staff to log in app, or login in web, or you can control the users, like this is the creating a screen. Further, branches, the branches at your company, like you can create multiple branches for your organization, and you can place these requirements. Next is the employees, and the employees are the part that we wish to handle through this HR management solution. So you can add as many staff as you need, whom you want to handle through this system, and it is a very comprehensive scheme, and you have to give all the information regarding staff and their roles. So roles can be mapped here, and their all information designation what we made. So it is simply configuration. The system depends on the parameters what you are using for the system, and the screen will show you all the instructions how you can add the details like blood group, basic salary, marital status and all. So you can simply create staffs here. Leave management. So leave management, first of all we need to create leave type, like we leave without pay or paternity leave, maternity leave. So you can create leave types here. Assign leave, whom you want to assign the leave, like manager, department, and type casual leave. So which department can have a certain type of leave. This is basically mapping of leave. So you can edit the existing one or create new one, like 70 days is allowed for this particular department manager, 70 days, and leave type will be leave without pay, and status is active. So you can decide how many days of leave is allowed for a particular department or particular leave type. So it is important. And you can see next on the next screen, you can see all the leave requests, so whatever you have received through the system. So this is leave stage, choose one, sick leave, and subtitle, choose employee for which you want to assign the leave, and you can browse the application that has been submitted in the department, or you can also mention the leave region, and you can submit the request for configuring it, I mean for recording in the system. Next part is again attendance part is always important in a employee management system, HR management system. This is attendance part, and you can mark the attendance here. So whatever the attendance will be displayed here. So attendance collection, like all the details of check-in, check-out, break duration can be seen here. This is basically a reporting screen. Okay, so payroll. In the payroll, we first of all we can set the commissions and the basic setup of payrolls, like this is basic setup, basic salary, and you can even edit the screens. So set contract, set commissions, and you can also add new super admin payroll. So employees setup list. Okay, so advanced type you can decide here, and you can further create new advanced type or whatever is required. Advanced can be seen here, all advanced requests, and you can further add new advanced request whatever has been requested or is to be granted to the employees. So this is for advanced. Salary. Okay, so it is a very important part of HR and management system. You can generate the salary and you can have all the details, like you can generate the salary and you can select the department, and according to field parameters the system will automatically generate the salary, and it is really very good system for generating the salary in one go, and you can use this at your own for creating the salary sheets and all. Okay, so next is accounts. So account list, you can create new account list. So account name, code, and the account number. So it is basically for updating the account, bank account details of a staff. Deposit, for the deposit list you can create account, choose one, and the project category, income and reference. So this is for depositing, and further you can create the expenses, whatever is being done. Transaction history can be seen here, and account settings further, like deposit category you can set here in which heads the deposit can be made, and the expense category you can create here, like this is the expense category. And okay, so payment method can be set here, like phone pay, Amazon pay, Paytm pay, if it is online payment, and you can of course create different payment systems. Clients for our organization you can set here. So client list you can see here, and you can further create the new client list for the organization. Task, create task for internal working, and the progress bar can be seen, like priority can be set here and status in progress, like, and the task list can be also created here. So this is the task list. Also the projects, so it is also a work management system, so it is project and project list. Further, awards, award type list, whatever award is being given or working conditions of organization. So award tables within the organization, there might be certain table types, so you can create table types here. Performance analysis, like how the staff is performing, which staff is performing well. You can create the performance parameters here, like designation, manager, shift and title. So details can be placed here, and what is the performance indicator and how appraisal can go. So you can create appraisal system here. So title, employee, remarks, and how the appraisal can be done, and what can be the goal for the appraisal. You can create here the goals, enter subject, goal type, and so data is not filled here. This is why it is not showing, but yes, you can fill the data in the system. So it is going to be installed at your hosting and your server, so you have to check all these. I mean, you can start with the test data, and further you can truncate the database and for start utilizing the system. Okay, so setting, competence type, competencies, and the goal type. These are the basic settings under the performance system. Meetings, so meetings, all the meetings within the organization can be held, can be tracked here, and can be placed here. Appointment, so what is the appointment list can be seen and created here. This is the appointment screen. Okay, so manage visits within the office or premise. You can manage the visits, so you can also export the data in certain formats if you want. Support, like this is for the installation admins and all. Announcement, whatever announcement you want to create for the organization, you can create here. And for the browse screen is here. So, and notices, you can create notices, announcement and all. Contacts, if the system is having contact reports like live tracking and the location history. So this is completely reporting, attendance report, so you can check all the reports on this screen. Break report, payment report, and visit reports. And last but not least, setup and configuration. So I will show you the setting first. Okay, so once you get the system, install the system, first of all what you have to do, you have to go for general settings. So I wish to show you, this is the very first screen that you have to work. Like you can change the background image, like let's say it is completely white label solution, you can change it for your organization. So you can upload your logo, website footer, email setup, and storage setup, database backup conditions. So you can create database backup and about the system, so when it is released, so you can keep updating the system through the downloads. Further, you can go for app setting, as I said. So app version is also available for the system, and the language can be set here. Once you go for complete this setting, you can go for setup and configuration. So basically this is the main screen through which you can configure the complete system, onboard your organization and the system. So this is configuring basic information like attendance setting and the language and date formats. All these details is to be kept. Backend setup, so which is the backend and how you can proceed with the backend. And holiday setups, so these are holiday list, shift setup, duty schedules, and you can create duty schedules like this. So start time, end time, as we seen in the earlier screen. IP whitelist. So if you want to restrict the system for certain IPs, you can do it from here. Locations of your organization, you can create location, and here like Google Map is already configured here, and this is activation, time format, and leave tracking and all. So this is all about the admin screen, and you can use this admin for reporting and setting the system for your organization. Next I am going to show you the HR admin, HR manager screen. This was the super admin. I'll show you the admin screen, and accordingly the HR admin and all. So just keep watching. The video is going to show you all the steps. Now we are at the admin screen. Earlier we seen the super admin, who is handling the complete system and who became the owner of the system. This is admin, I mean below one level of super admin. So HR admin, this is interactive screen through which the admin can check the basic reports, what is inside the system. HR, the same screens like designation, department, roles, branches, employees, is same screen as in admin, leave management, attendance, client, award, travels, performance and all. Leave management is same. Okay, I can show you the details because details are here. Like this is the data of employees. So here some data is available. Leave management, you can go for data like leave management is available here. Assign leave to employee. Admin can do all these activities, like you can assign and all these things. Attendance reports. So attendance is here. Since it is admin, earlier we seen the super admin that was not having data. With data you can see the system here. So this is check-in and check-out time, and check-out time, and it is showing all the reports here, attendance reports. Similarly payroll details are here. So housing allowance, transportation and payroll setup is here. So data can be seen here in the admin login. Accounts like account list. So screen are same, but yes, data can be seen here. And of course you are going to insert your data, update your own data. Okay, so clients, client list, task, projects, awards, travels, performance, these are the same screen as we seen in the super admin. Meetings, appointment, visit, sport, announcement, contacts, report, setup and configuration, and chatting. So this is all about the admin. It is almost similar like super admin, but this login has bit less capacity, less permissions. So now I'm going to show you next level. Now this is HR manager screen, and what HR manager can see in the system. This is dashboard, and again dashboard is showing the basic details. Employees by the HR manager, leave management, attendance. Leave management have multiple roles like leave type and all. So this is for HR manager. Attendance, reporting, payroll, and again payroll is here, and I can also use the salary part for HR manager. So HR manager can generate the salary for certain department, of course. So management, date, and date can be selected here, and the salary can be generated as per salary generated successfully. So this is basically the thing what HR manager can do with the system. So accounts, account list and deposit, expense and transaction histories, and the screens are same, but yes, according to permissions the users can see their screens. So the screens are almost same as we seen in the in the super admin. So this is these were three levels that we seen in the system: the super admin, admin, and HR manager. Now let us come to the screen where we can get this solution, how you can buy the solution, where you can buy. So as I said, the link is given in the description of this video, and this is Onest HR Onest, okay, HRM, human resource management system, and app and website. So it is a complete system. So the demo we have already seen, and this is the website or demo, and like we have seen the live screens. So this is a screen from app, and as I said, the system is available with the app of Android and iOS app as well. So you can have all the bundle for HR management for your organization, and it is having complete documentation as well. So just in case if you wish to have details, so you can search the documentation, how you can install the system, what are the requirements for the system. So everything has been given in the video or in the text format, so you can easily set up the system. And just in case if you want to hire an expert for installation, it can be available. So the developer are already giving you the support for installation, so don't worry. You just need to spend $29 and you can have a optimized hosting, and again you can request us for a hosting plan, so we can provide you the suitable hosting plan in a very reasonable price, so don't worry. So it is under $50 solution, so you can get all these things. So numbers and the details are given here, so you can check all these things, and you can even explore the system at your own before you take the buying decision. But what is necessary, you just need to follow the link given in the video, so that you may reach on the correct link, and you can get the correct script, and through affiliate we are also getting some commission. So let us meet in our another video in which I am going to bring another digital asset in form of a useful website or in form of ready to use software, so that you can become a smart computer user for your organization or for your business. Thanks for watching. Keep building.